Let's walk through the AIMI calculator. AIMI is Portugal's additional property tax, an annual tax on higher value property holdings, charged on top of the normal IMI when the total taxable value of your homes and building land is large. Enter the total taxable value, the VPT, of all your residential buildings and building land. Let's use €1,500,000. We'll leave the situation as an individual taxpayer with the €600,000 deduction. Instantly, the calculator shows the AIMI due per year. It subtracts the deduction from your total value and taxes the rest in marginal brackets, just like the income tax. The breakdown below shows the deduction, each bracket's portion and its rate, so you can see exactly how the total is built and what your effective rate is. That's it. Switch to a couple under joint taxation and the deduction doubles. Change any field and the result updates live. Try it yourself at Calculadora Capital.